Good morning. Welcome back to Genuine Countryman. I'm Winston. Another beautiful morning the Lord has made. Fog lifting off the water, sun coming across the hill. I'm going to try some more fishing today. You know, a very special person once told me, the early bird gets the worm. Where would we be in this life if people, individuals, didn't show up in life? Whether it be your firefighter responding to the scene of a fire where you desperately need his help, to show up at your place to put the fire out, to rescue your loved ones. Where would we be without people showing up? You know, you go to the doctor and you have faith that you'll have a doctor there, and that doctor is there. He or she, that doctor will be there, and you'll get the help that you need, whether it be a broken bone or scar, not a scar, but a tear in your skin and you need stitches or something like that. Where would we be if people didn't show up? You know, I'm out here fishing. The only thing I'm trying to do is just catch a fish. And simple as that may be, I can never even fathom the thought of even catching a big fish unless I show up. You know, in life, we're met with struggles every single day, obstacles every single day, and all of us face them. But what we have to do is we just have to show up every single day, no matter what, and we have to fight through those obstacles and overcome them. But first, let me emphasize, first we have to show up. And there's a person that was once on this earth, and he showed up one day, and mankind was dark without any hope, and he showed up, and he did amazing things like no man has ever done on this earth, nor will ever do again. Some will, but not to the extent and the importance that that came with this man. And he went to a cross. Yep, he went to a cross. And the end of that, what he did on that cross, brought hope to all mankind. So that's what I want to do for you today. I want to give you hope, because at the end of the line, there's always hope. Always hope. So go out there and be the early bird and get that worm. And hey y'all, remember, be kind, keep it genuine. I'm gonna have to get my pliers on that.